Hello friends, welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. This is the lecture number 8, that is equilibrium constant of the Nernst equation. So equilibrium constant of Nernst equation means, so in the whatever the galvanic cell is there here, this is a galvanic cell. So in this galvanic cell, this is the galvanic cells. So in this galvanic cell, the equilibrium is attained between the first half cell to the second half cell. The equilibrium is attained. Equilibrium attained means the zinc atom oxidized into zinc ion, it is stopped. The copper ion reduction also over the electrode, that is stopped, and the reaction becomes stopped here, and there is no flow of electron also, that is equilibrium conditions. Right, friends? So in this equilibrium, what about friends? The before attaining the equilibrium, zinc keep on increasing in the solution. Zinc turns jump into the solution as a zinc ion. So that's why zinc ion concentration goes on increases here. Copper move towards the copper metal. So copper atom in the solution goes on decreases. Right, students? Okay. So in the same voltage of the cell, same voltage of the cell, read the voltmeter keep on decreasing. If you connect here the any voltmeter, the voltmeter reading also here keep on decreasing, keep on decreasing. So after some time, there is no change in concentration of zinc ion and copper ion, and the voltmeter reading is 0. Students, so when the zinc atom the stop the oxidizes, copper atom stop the reduces, and the voltmeter reading also here stopped here. So this is condition we called as a equilibrium conditions. The equilibriums are attained between the zinc and the copper ions. No copper is oxidizes, and no copper is reduces, and the no zinc is oxidizes. So equilibrium attained between the zinc and copper ions. So Nernst equation is, this is the Nernst equation, friends. The E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.592 by n log zinc ion by copper ions, that is product by reaction. The zinc ion concentration by copper ion concentration taken as Kc, right? The E cell is equal to E naught cell 0.0592 by log Kc equivalent. So that's why we have to write here Kc instead of zinc ion by copper ions. Right, friends? Next, E cell value is considered as 0 because the reaction has stopped here. So that's why the E cell value is 0. If reaction stop means the electropotential random condition remains 0 here. And standard conditions is there here. Standard condition 1.10 volt equal to 1. Right, friends? The log Kc n into E naught cell by 0.0592. So this is the formula to find the electropotential's value. Right, friends? Okay, students, let's see here. We have to find one anti-log. Example, how to find the anti-log by using this example. Yes, friends. So here anti-log is 3.1309. In this case, what we have to do, we have to separate here the point before the digit and point after the digit. We have to be separated. So point before the digit 3, point after the digit 1309. Right, friends. So whatever the before the point, whatever the digits are there, such type of digits are written as 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 3, right? If the any digit is written here, the n point, the x, y, z is written. So the point before the digit, the n, so that n is written as a 10 to the power of n, right? Into, there is the remaining separate x, y, z is separate. Understood, friends? Understood? Okay. So then this value we also written as in this form 0.1309. into 10 to the power of 3. Right, students? So in the now we have to go for the value is the 1309, right? 0.1301. This is our value. So in this case, what we have to do? In this case, you have to go for 13th value. The 13th value you go for the zeroth row, right? 13 value, zeroth row. So 13, where is the 13? 13 is here, students. Here is the 13. So is 13, the 0 is the here. This is the 0 value. This 0 value, that is 1349. Answer is 1349, right? And the here this 9 is there. This 9 is the mean difference. Mean difference here. Mean difference. So in the same row, 13th row, mean difference is 9. So you may come in the same line. Mean difference 9. That is 3. So add here 3. Then you got 1352. So that is 1352. Understood, students? Okay, once again I will explain you. The 0.1309, this is the value. In the 13 value here, 0.13 is here, students. This is the 0.13. So in this 0.13, you go for the zeroth column. Zeroth column is this one. So this the value is 1349. That is 1349. 1349. And the 13th row, ninth mean difference. The same row, you may come on the same row. Ninth mean difference is 3. So add here 3, you got 1352. Right, students? That is 1352. Value is 1352 10 to the power of 3. Right. So point is there 0.1309. So that this point is also written as after one digit 1.352. Right. So in this method we have to find the anti-log. Understood, students? Okay. Next, calculate the equilibrium constant. Copper atom turns into copper ion and the silver. One more example, calculate the equilibrium constant. Copper turns into copper which is turns into copper ion. Silver ion turns into silver atom. So it means copper undergoes oxidation reaction, silver undergoes reduction reactions or occurs here. The E naught cell value is 0.46. Then you apply the Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell, that is 0.0592 by n log Kc. So in our solution, the n value is 2 because 2 electrons are transferred from copper and 2 electrons are accepted by the silver. N is equal to 2. And E cell is already mentioned here, that is 0.46. So E cell value is 0 because at equilibrium the E cell value is 0. The E naught cell minus 0.0592 log Kc. Right. So in this case, the log Kc is n into E naught cell by 0.0592. So next, the n value is 2, E cell value is 0.46, and the 0.0592. Then you got the answer is 15.554. This is the log Kc. Log Kc value is 50.54. Then we have to calculate the log of this value. If the any value is given in the digit form, 15.54, 13.2 or 1.34, so these are the very small value. So that's why these values are taken as a anti-log, determined by the anti-log. Okay. So log Kc 15.54, 15 plus 0.54. We are separate here 15 and the 0.54 we are separating, and the 15 are written as a 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 15, and remaining is the 0.54, right? Or this is again rearrange this reaction, written as 0.54 into 10 to the power of 15. So what we have to do, students? Our value is 0.54. After 54 there is no digit, means 0. So in this case the 54th value may go for the 0th row. 54 0th row here, and the 54 is this one. This is 54. The 0th row is 3.567. That's what. So that is 3 point, sorry, 54, 0th column here, 0th column, that is 3467. 3467. So we are writing here 3467 into 10 to the power of 15. So point is there, 0 point. That point written as a after one digit. Right, students? So this is the equilibrium constant of the copper and the silver. Equilibrium between the copper and silver. So next example, what is the standard free energy change and equilibrium constant at 25 degrees Celsius? So in this case, silver reduction turns into silver silver atom, iron turns into iron atom. So iron undergoes oxidation, silver undergoes reductions. Right? So we had to use this formula, E naught cell Fe plus 2 by Fe. The reduction potential is 0.54, and the E naught Ag plus by Ag reduction potential is 0.80. Again, we have to find here the delta G. We have to find here delta G. Right. So delta G and the delta G minus NF E naught cell. If you find the E naught cell, then we easily calculate the delta G. So that's why we are go for delta G. To find out the delta G, we are go for the E naught concentration. So E naught cell is equal to E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. The cathode is silver because it undergoes reduction. Anode is iron, it undergoes oxidation. So cathode value 0.80, anode value minus 0.447. Then we got 0.24, sorry, 1.247. Equilibrium constant, students. The equilibrium constant E naught cell minus 0.5, 0.54592 log Kc, log written here 2 times, sorry. And again log Kc n into E naught cell by, this is a formula. So next is log Kc 2 into 1.24, 1.2. Next, students, the log Kc 2 into 1.247 divided by 0.0592. Then we got the value 42.2711. Again, we are separate 42 plus 0.525722. Then the 10 to the power of 42 before the digit, before the point, so it is written as 10 to the power of 42. And the remaining values as it is. You can rearrange this value 0.2711 into 10 to the power of 42. Again, the value is the 0.2711. So 27 in its first row. So for the first row, this is this first row, and the 27 value is here. So we got 1866. The answer is 1866. So written here 1866 students. The mean difference is 1. Mean difference is 1 means mean difference is the same row. The same row may go for the mean difference 1. The mean difference you got here 0. So that is 1866, and the after that point is there 0.27. The 0 point is written as here 1.2, 1.66 into 10 to the power of 42. This is the log. This is the log Kc, that is equilibrium constant. Next, we have to find here the standard free energy, delta G minus NF, E naught cell, N is 2, Faraday charge 96500, E naught cell is 1.24. Then we got the answer is minus 239320 kilojoules per mole. So in this case, we have to find out the delta G with the help of the E naught cell. Students, I hope you understood the today Example students, if you find any doubt, ask me students. Thank you so much.